Hi students, today we are going to discuss about variation of density of substance with temperature. Let the volume of a solid, let us consider the volume of a solid. On heating, the volume of a solid is going to be increases. On heating, the volume of a solid is increases when mass of the solid is equal to constant. When mass of the solid remains constant, on heating, the volume of the solid is going to be increases, whereas the density is decreases. You know that density is going to be decreases. On heating, the volume of the solid is increases, where the mass of the body remains constant, whose density is going to be decreases. Let the volumes of a solid be, let the volumes of a solid be V1 and V2. Densities are D1 and D2 at a temperatures T1 degree centigrade and T2 degree centigrade respectively. T1 degree centigrade and T2 degree centigrade respectively. And we know that density equal to mass by volume, and mass equal to, we are going to write volume into density, that is nothing but constant. The mass should be constant, therefore Vd is also constant. And here the D is inversely proportional to volume. The density is inversely proportional to volume of the solid. Now we are going to write V1 D1 equal to V2 D2. We are going to write V1 D1 is equal to V2 D2 from this expression. From that V2 we are going to write V2 equal to V1 D1 by D2. Let us consider this is the first equation. And we know the definition from coefficient of volume expansion of a solid. You know the definition? From the coefficient of volume expansion of a solid, V2. From that V2 we are going to write V2 equal to V1 into 1 plus gamma into T2 minus T1. 1 plus gamma into T2 minus T1. Let us consider this is the second equation. Now substitute equation 1 in equation 2. Therefore V1 D1 by D2 is equal to V1 into 1 plus gamma into T2 minus T1. Therefore from equation 1. Now V1 get cancelled. Bring D2 right hand side. D1 equal D2 into 1 plus gamma into T2 minus T1. And multiply D2 into 1 D2 plus D2 into gamma into T2 minus T1. Gamma into T2 minus T1. Now bring D2 left hand side. Let us consider this equation is 3. And bring D2 left hand side, it becomes D1 minus D2 is equal to D2 into gamma into T2 minus T1. From that we are going to write for formula for gamma. Therefore gamma is equal to D1 minus D2 by dt into T2 minus T1. Okay. Now here the density is going to vary with the temperature. And now let the volumes we are going to consider V0 and Vt, and densities are D0 and dt at temperatures 0 degree centigrade and T degree centigrade. Now this formula can be changed as I am going to write here gamma is equal to, we are going to write D0 minus dt by dt into T minus 0, means we are going to write T. Therefore gamma can be written as, when the volumes are V0 and Vt, densities are D0 and dt at temperature 0 degree centigrade, T degree centigrade. the gamma should be written as gamma equal d naught minus dt by dt into T. Okay, this is the variation of density of substance with temperature. Now let us go for a small problem in IP. It is given very important for 2 marks in IP. Now a small problem, and it is very important for IP 2 marks, and it is from the definition of alpha. Find the temperature, find the increase in temperature, find the increase in temperature of a aluminium rod, Okay, if the length increases by 1%. Length, how much it is increases? It is increases by 1%, and given alpha for aluminium is equal to 25 into 10 power minus 6 degree centigrade. It is given in the question. Now the solution for this. Now initial length of aluminium rod I am taken as 100. Now we are going to write for final length. Final length becomes increases by 1%, means final length of rod is equal to 100 plus 1, it becomes 101. Now change in length. Change in length is how much here? L2 minus L1. This is initial length L1, this is L2. L2 minus L1, that is 101 minus 100 is equal to 1. And we know that the formula is alpha equal to L2 minus L1 by L1 into T2 minus T1. Now we are going to calculate that increase in temperature, that is T2 minus T1. We are going to bring this side, that is equal to L2 minus L1 by L1 into alpha. Okay, now substitute the values. That is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is equal to, what is the L2 minus L1? It is change in length 1 by, what is the L1 value? Here it is L1 is 100%. 100 into, what is the alpha value in the given question? 25 into 10 power minus 6. It can be written as 1 by 25 into 10 power 2, 10 power minus 6 becomes 10 power minus 4. It is going to take to numerator 10 power 4 by 25. 10 power 4 it is written as 10,000. 10,000 by 25 becomes 400. Therefore, T2 minus T1 is equal to how much here? 400 degree centigrade. If the length is increased by 1%, what is the increase in temperature is 400 degree centigrade. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.